Wing one.
The Wing One, the ultimate handheld clay target thrower. Hi there, my name's Jerry Black. This is my brother Tom. Tom and Jerry. Our mother had a sense of humor. We're here today with the Wing One, the ultimate handheld clay target thrower. Tom, you got the shotgun. Let's show them 5 standard throws that we like to use over the years. The first one is going to be a straightaway throw, and it means just that. You load a clay pigeon, how simple it is, come back, the Wing One cocks itself, and we come through straight, and that's what it is, straight and away. Now you can vary that by throwing at any plateau out here. So I'm going to turn around and throw it. My brother here will shoot it. I hope the straight away.
Wing one.
Good shot, Tom. That's the straight away. Another shot that we enjoy using is called the overhead throw. This one makes it difficult for the shooter because instead of throwing it straight away, we turn the handle this way so that the clay pigeon comes out straight away from us, and it's over the head and then throw. That's called the overhead throw.
Wing one.
Good shot again, Tom. That was the overhead throw. That's a difficult shot to hit. The third one we would like to do is the teal. A teal duck will take off at a very sharp angle going away from you. Good training for that. Load the clay pigeon for the teal throw.
Wing one.
And a good shot, Tom. You're doing good. Everything I've taught you seems to be working well.
Thank you, brother Jerry.
Yeah. All right, here we go with the 4th and 5th throw, and it's a variation determined by how you hold the handle. If you have it for a standard throw, if you rotate it to the right, it's going to go out and kind of gently curl off to the right. If you rotate it to the left, it will go out and dive off to the left. Let's try this one. We'll call this the right hand curl.
Wing one.
You saw how it went out and curled up? So the more you turn the handle, the more that's going to happen. Let's try one moving it to the left here, okay?
Wing one.
Good shot, Tom. Straight away. The overhead throw.
Wing one.
The teal.
Wing one.
The right hand curl.
Wing one.
The left hand curl.
Wing one.
There isn't another throw in the market that can do that that's a handheld. Wing One. And thank you for coming out to our instruction video.
See you next time.
When you practice, you perform. Introducing the Foul Life Series Foul Play Trap System by Do All Outdoors.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.